Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. In last session we have seen how we can create Node.js API, like Node API in MongoDB, how we can store the data. That also we have seen, guys. So one thing, guys, first, I'll tell you this, guys. Just go with this video. That is first video is create API with Node.js. This is for beginners, and here basic API I have told, guys, where we have not used any database. Okay, and here, guys, create RESTful API. Here we are doing the real CRUD operation where we are using database also, that is MongoDB. Okay, and we are creating the what I can say APIs, guys, with the database. And here I have told this also, like how we can create a account in MongoDB, how can store the data, how to do the connectivity between Node.js and MongoDB. Everything is there, guys. Okay, so these two videos just watch, guys. Here you will get lot of things to learn. Okay, next third video now I'm creating, guys, means after this that third video will come where you will learn, guys, further APIs. Here till post API means store API is there, then get, update, delete, edit. That video today we will see, guys. Okay, so let's start, guys. So this is our database, and directly I'll come in my code, guys. Okay, so you can see this is my last video in that I have done this post API. Now what we will do, guys, now we will see how we can fetch or get the data from database. Okay, means whatever the data we have stored now just in MongoDB, that only we will get and post, sorry, we will get that or we will fetch that data. Okay, fine. And guys, watch this video full, then only you will get all the things. Okay, so this is the first condition, guys. If you don't know also, that also you will learn, guys, in this video. So I'm requesting you watch video full, then only you will understand. So what I will do, guys, I'll create here one more API, that is get API. Okay, so we'll give here a command like root for get API. Okay, fine. So here what we need to take is, here we need to take app.get, and here the root name will come. So you can give any name, guys, whatever you want. Then next, guys, here we are doing connection with our database, so we are using here async and await function. So here it is async comma response, request comma response we are taking here. Then here our callback function will come. Okay, fine. Then next, guys, what we will do, we will use the try catch method we are using it. So error will be what? Error will be same, guys. Here what it is there now, same will take here. Okay, so what if error is there, it will tell the error. And while getting the data, what we need to do, guys, here we need to take the variable that is const product. And next what we will do is, here we'll take a weight. Then this is our model, guys, that is product dot find means what, guys? Here if you take here empty, now what it will do, it will take all the data. Okay, all the data it will show. And after showing this, what we will take, we are giving that in response, like response status, same product we will show, guys. Okay, it will be 200 dot json, and here our variable will come, guys, that is product. We'll take this as products, guys. Okay, and here also I will take, okay, let it be, guys, or here I'll take get, let it be product only. Okay, so response dot status came. Oh, what is happening here? It became product schema. Okay, guys, so this is my get API, guys. Really, guys, I'm from product dot find means all the data I'm getting, guys, and that data I am showing in response. Okay, in JSON format. So now what we will do, guys, we'll test this API in our postman. So I'll go here. Here I'll create one duplicate API. Duplicate. So I'll give name like test node get API. Okay, fine. And this is my root. Same root I'll take here, guys. Okay, fine. And you can see guys here how much data is there here. 4 data is there, right? So that 4 data we should get here. Okay, so you can see my root is correct, that is product. Okay, this find I am used, so it will find all the data and it will show that data. Okay, so let's do send here. We'll check guys what will happen. Okay, you can see guys we got here data. It should be 4. So this is first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. See guys, we got all the 4 data. Okay, whatever data is that in database, that all data we got. Okay, so like this what you can do guys, like this you can create your get API. Okay, fine. Next what we will do guys, next we will fetch the single data, okay, from database. So for that also we need to use guys root only. So what I will do, I'll just copy this, come here and paste it here. Okay, okay, so here same I am going to use try and catch, and the error will be here. Same it will be, if anything is not working it will give 500 internal server error guys. Okay, so we are getting here single id, right, single data. So what it should be, here we need to take id guys, because by using id we are fetching single data. Okay, so for that it is, then here what I will, it will come guys same, whatever we have taken above that only it will come, that only come here, but slightly difference. Okay, so constant products is equal to a weight, and here it is product model we are taking. Then here the difference is this guys, that is find by id. Okay, so what we are doing here, we are finding our data by id. Then here id how it will come guys, so that id will come like from here, from request we are taking that. Okay, so const, here is id, and this id is coming from request dot params. Okay, so we got here id, that id will show here guys. Okay, so this is done. Then we need to take response, right? So here our response will come, that is response dot status. Okay, it will be 200 dot json, and here our product will come. It should be product, because here we are taking single data, right? So it should be product. So app dot get, so we are taking here from id guys, means single id we are fetching here, and this id we are taking from params, request dot params. Okay, then here this should be small guys, sorry. Okay, find by id, done. Now what we will do guys, we'll test this api whether it is working correct or not. So what I will do, I will create here duplicate api. So the name will give like get single data, get single data api. Okay, fine. So this I'm copying, then paste it here guys. Okay, so what is the root here? So root will be here, we need to take the id, right? So what I will do guys, we'll go in our database, and here we'll take one id. Okay, so what I will do, this id only I'll take. Okay, postman, here my id will come, and it is get only, it is product. Okay, now I'll do send. So you can see guys, we got this data A15, and it is Sunita 500 welcome. Okay, if you go here you will see Sunita 500 welcome. Okay, so different filters, this is in Pisca. Okay, so I'll copy this, I'll go here, I'll paste here, again I'll send. You can see guys in Pisca 200 welcome. Okay, so like this what we have done guys, we have done how to get single data from our database. Okay, So this is done, guys. Next, what we will do, guys, we'll do update or edit data from the database. Okay, so that API we will create now. So for that also it will be same, slightly difference will be there, guys, that we will see. So here how it will be like app dot get, sorry, it should not be get, it should be put, guys. App dot put, then here our product will come, then ID. Okay, then we are communicating with database, so async, and here it is request comma response. Oh, req, guys, request comma response. Here is our callback function, then try catch. Here we'll put our error, so the error will be same. Okay, so if any error is there, it will show here. Then next, now here is very important, guys. So here this will be same, guys, so I'll just copy it and I'll paste it here. Okay, so here request.params is scheme. Okay, so here only difference is this, guys. Here we need to take like find by ID, and it is not showing, see, by default update. So find by ID and update here. Okay, so like that is find by ID and update. Then here it will be, we are taking ID, then what we will take is request dot body. So this is coming from client, guys, so whatever the request body is there, that we are fetching, and in that we are updating the data. Okay, so for that it is request dot body. Here why error is coming, guys? Product sync. Oh, it should be comma, guys, what I have taken. Okay, request comma response. Error gone. Fine, guys. So here we are taking ID, then what we are doing is we are finding ID and updating that. Okay, here we need to test, guys, if suppose if that ID is not available, then what we need to do. For that we'll use like this, guys. If ID is not there, or if ID is not present in our database, then it should give like, it should return like return dot status 404, means 404 not found error will show, guys. Okay, so dot JSON, and here we'll provide one message like message colon backtick we will use, guys. Here cannot find any product with ID. Okay, so with that ID there is no any product, so that we are telling, and here that ID we are showing. Okay, so done, guys. This is if there is no ID available, that time it is okay. And if ID is there, what we will do is we'll just response dot status. Okay, we'll respond same, it is 200, and dot JSON, and here our product will come, guys, here. Okay, so this is our product. Fine. So here one error, means one, what I can say, issue will come, guys, that I will show you later after showing the uh, response in Postman. Okay, that after that we will add that. So what I will do, guys, I will go in Postman, then again we will create one duplicate API. Okay, duplicate, we'll change the name here, get. Okay, update data API. Okay, that copy I'll remove. You can give, guys, how you feel like that name you can give. Okay, right now I'm giving like this only. Then what we need to do, guys, we need to test the API, right? So this is get, sorry, it should be put, right? It should be put, then product, then ID. So here it should be put, guys, then product ID will check. Here we'll go in database, so it is 700, it is 700. Okay, so what we will do, we'll change the name, guys. Okay, so I'll take this name, I'll come in postman. So in body, get this, I'll remove. Here we're changing the name guys. Okay, so name, here that there it is in Fiskai, right? So there what I will write guys, remember computer I'll take guys right now. Computers, okay. So we'll check. I'll send this. So here it is in Fiskai only guys. It is not changed. If I go in my database, if I refresh, okay, to 700 ID. See here it is changed against computer, but here it is not changed, right? But if I send once again, it will change. You can see guys here it is updated. The name is updated with computer, okay? So why this is happening guys? Because we are not adding their updated data, okay? So that data also we need to add. So what I will do guys, here I'll take const update product. Here it will be await. Just same we are writing once again guys, and we are updated data we are taking here. Dot find by id, and here our id will come. And what we will do is this updated product we are updating here. Await product dot find by id. Here it is I O. Here it should be semicolon. Fine. Updated product we are taking here. Okay. If now I try to change, it will change guys. You can see. I'll take here again in Fiskai, and now I'll send directly. You can see guys, now in one shot only it is changed, right? Earlier it was not changed. Okay, so I can change amount also guys. I mean change in the sense update. It's not changing, we're updating. So amount I'll take 400. So you can change guys in Pisca 400 is change. And here also if I refresh, it will get change here also, okay? 700, you can see guys, for 700 it is in Pisca and 400, okay? So we are able to update the data guys. We are edit, and we are able to edit the data, we are edit or update the data guys, okay? Now last is only one is left guys, that is delete API, okay? So now we will create delete API. So almost we are done guys. Get API, how to fetch the data from database, then how to update the API, how to get the single data from database, okay? Now the next is delete. So for that also we need to take here root. So app dot delete, it should be delete guys, okay? Then here our root will come, that is product, and we are deleting by id, right? So here id will come guys. Then same async, here request comma response, and here is our callback function, okay? Then same try catch. See guys, once you do now, it will be practice to you. And while I'm doing right, with me only you try guys, so you will, means it will get practice for you guys, right? So I'm telling, okay? So here same guys, whatever the id we have taken, the same we need to take. So we're fetching first id. Next what will come guys, here const product await will come. Here is our model dot find by id, and what we are doing is here we need to delete it, so it should be delete, okay? Like that it is. For update it should be update, for delete it should be delete, like that, okay? Then here same we need to take guys, if there is a no id present, then show like this. If id is not present, okay? And if it is present, just show like this, just show the response, okay? And here we need to take product. So this is our delete API, okay? Fine guys. Now we'll test this in our Postman. So I'll go here. Once again, I'll create duplicate API. Rename. Instead of update, I'll take here delete data API, and I want to delete that copy. Okay. Just copy the URL from here, go here. Okay, so we'll take guys here, we'll change this first to delete, and this ID will change guys. Okay, we'll not take that ID only, we'll take this Sunita 500 welcome. Okay, so that is D45, it's ID 45. Okay, I'll go just wait, paste it here ID, and just I'll send here. Okay, now we'll see guys what will happen. So here it is executed, so I'll go here and we'll check whether it is there. ID 45 it is, right? Okay, 633 700. Fine. You can see guys only three data is there. Okay, so ID 45 is deleted. Suppose if I go here in get data, if I send it here, you can see guys there is no ID 45, only three data I can get here. Okay, and suppose if I go here, get single data, and if I add that ID here, see it is showing null. Okay, and if I go here in test mode, if I add here, so you guys cannot find any product with ID. Okay, so for like this also same you can add for single here also guys, while we're getting single ID, right? Here also you can add, because we got their null, right? So same procedure you can do guys here. So if ID is not there, then it will tell cannot find any product with this ID. Okay, so for that, so if I go here and if I check now single API, you can see guys cannot find any product with the ID. Okay, so we got here also for single product also guys. Okay, so like this what you can do guys, like this you can create APIs in Node.js, and here we have seen guys how to get a fetch API, then update API, then get single data from database, then remove API or delete API. Okay, so that we have learned in this video guys. So I hope guys you got how we can create APIs in Node.js, and as I told you, just watch this previous videos also. I'll give that in at the end, like at the end I will add that tags, or in I button I will give guys. Okay, just watch that video full, then only you will understand. And if you're liking my video, then guys like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys, keep supporting guys.